What is up guys, today I will show you how to unlock the Ninebot E3 Pro scooter right now in 2026. So actually there is only one key method available, and this method I will show you right now in this video. Actually it's very simple, nothing to be done, only one thing to prepare. You need to order the controller. Here I have controller from E3 Pro, suitable here to unlock it to 32 km per hour. And what I will do is to install it. I will show you how to install it, how to increase the speed of your scooter to 32 km per hour. And this method is working in 2026 for E3 Pro and many others, but mainly this is for guidance for E3 and E3 Pro. So check it out how to do it. Now you see how to dismantle it. I will not comment each step, it's not that difficult. What you need to do first is dismantle the lower part, and actually you will get the access to the controller. And meanwhile you access the controller, then what you need to do is to put off the old controller, disconnect it, and here you see the new controller. That's how it looks like on AliExpress. So I will leave a link in the description below, so you need to order it in advance. And actually then you just replace the old controller with a new controller and put it all back, and actually it will work, and you will get increase in the speed up to 32 km per hour. And after you put all together, actually what you can do is a test drive, and after test drive you will feel that 32 km per hour is actually the maximum of the scooter, is going quite smoothly and working well, and pretty simple. In case you still have some questions, just leave in the comments below, subscribe to my channel, put the thumbs up, and see you next time.